there, how are you all doing? The title of the book, What's That Noise? This book is calling you. Author ISABEL MINHOS Martins and Madalena Matoso. Place your ear here. Can you hear anything? No wind, no rain, no birds, nothing. Try listening here and here and here too. Still nothing? That's strange. I thought I heard a voice. Put one hand here and the other one here to tell the story. We'll need your fingers, your eyes, your ears, and maybe your nose. Are you ready? If so, paddle your fingers on the page like a drum roll. Let the adventure begin. See that green patch? That's where the forest begins. Use your fingers to walk there. You've been very brave, but now hush. We are in an unknown forest, and we don't know what dangers might be lurking nearby. What's that noise? Did you hear it? So did I. It was that voice calling you, wasn't it? I think it came from the next page. Turn it over carefully. You're not afraid of animals, aren't you? Oh, look at the leaves. They've been eaten. Look at the trail they left on the ground. There was something here, but it seems to have run away. Follow the trail on tiptoe. Look, we've come to a river. And what now? Dip your fingers in the water. It's cold, isn't it? Jump from stone to stone to get to the other side. We made it. Oh, it's starting to rain, but it's only a few small drops. You'll go on, won't you? The drizzle has turned into a downpour after all. Touch the raindrops with your fingertips to hear the sound of the rain. Slowly, stronger, a storm. Run for shelter on the other side of this giant rock. Phew, it seems to have passed. But if I were you, I'd watch out. Can you hear the grass move? It's moving and calling out. Who could it be? Looks like they are playing hide and seek. Oops, it's gone again. But this time, it's left us something round and red. What could it be? Is it definitely round? Trace its outline with your finger. Is it definitely red? Look again. Does it speak? Say hello. Is it a bell? Press it. Is it a switch? Flick it. Is it a clown's nose? Pinch it. Does it smell? Press your nose against it. Ah, it does smell. It smells like... Can you see what I see? Take a peek. Step inside. But when you turn the page, don't open the book too wide or you'll let in too much light at once, okay? Oh, it's so dark. Oh, there is someone in here. Make a frightened heartbeat with your fingers. We'd better get out of here. I don't think it likes us invading its space. Now, what shall we do? Hasn't it realized yet that we just want to be friends? I know. Let's show it there are no dangers out there. I know. Let's give it a present. If it likes round, red things, maybe we should give it something round and red. Any ideas? Run your fingers over the apple skin and call softly, "Come and see, I have something for you." At last. Take it easy, don't rush. Make a worm with your finger and slowly edge your way closer. There's so much to show you, my friend, but why don't you take it to the big rock in the creek where you like to dive? The water looks so good. Shall we throw some pebbles in? A small one, splish. Another small one, splish. A really big one, splash. Your turn now. 1, 2, 3, jump. The grass is so soft. The sun is so warm. And a summer breeze is blowing. If you lie down, you and your new friend will be dry in no time. Blow on the page softly to create a gentle breeze. But what is this shadow all of a sudden? It's a black bird who has spotted the worm for its dinner. Hurry, you must protect your friend. Shelter it with the palm of your hand. Phew, it's gone. There are some dangers out here after all. But when you have a friend by your side, everything is fine. See how happy it looks? Make your hands into a round apple for your worm friend to take shelter in. Take a peek and see how it's sleeping, all nicely curled up. See you tomorrow. When the worm wakes up, it'll be delighted to see you. Don't forget to come and see it once in a while. The end. Hope you enjoyed this book. See you in another book. Bye-bye.